Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a low beam on a 2013 Fiesta. And this goes for low beam, high beam, and multiple years of the Fiesta. All you need for tools is either a flathead screwdriver or a T30 driver. And when I'm under the hood, I like to usually bring the telescoping magnet and mirror, just in case I lose something under there. It's easy to get with the magnet, easy to find with the mirror. Alright, we'll just turn you around here. So like I said, really all you need is a flathead. You can use the T30, but the flathead fits in there perfectly. It takes loosening this bolt, and there's just a little clip here that you can pop up. Okay, now that we got our two bolts and our little plastic clip off, you're gonna want to kind of pull up on it and out. Let me set this up here so you can see it a little bit better. Gives me a better hand on it. Might take a little bit of wiggling around up here. You have to pry that little plastic piece out a little bit. Alright, pull it up, out. Let me get you guys in here for the close-up again. So, alright, basically, and you can do this with the headlight in without taking it out. You got the windshield wiper fluid tank here. You got the fuse box here. It might be in your way, especially if you're gonna try to get to the low beam back here. So this is the high beam. Basically, you just take that, turn it, pull it out, replace it. That just kind of twists off. This one just pulls off, and this is your low beam. And same thing. You're gonna want to turn it, pull it, and there you go. That's an H11. You want to push down on that, pull it out, put your new headlight in, push it in, turn it, throw that back on, and do everything in reverse. Thank you.